Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at your places. So here is the next question bank from physics class 10th. First of all, I will wish to thank you for giving the positive response in the previous video. So उस वीडियो ने मोटिवेट किया मुझे दूसरा वीडियो बनाने के लिए. ये फिज़िक्स का क्वेश्चन बैंक है, इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हम इस वीडियो में क्लियर करेंगे. Without wasting any time, let's get started. 1 mark each. Question number 1, identify the symbol. So this symbol is of resistance, this symbol is of ammeter. Relation between current and voltage. So current is directly proportional to voltage, or V is equal to IR. यहाँ आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, V is directly proportional to I, or V is equal to IR. This is the relation between current and voltage. 1 microampere is equal to 10 raised power minus 6 ampere. What is the unit of electric current? This is ampere. SI unit of potential difference? This is volt. Question number 7. Name a device that helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. So it is battery or cell. SI unit of resistivity. This is ohm meter. On what factors the resistance of a conductor depends? It depends on length, area of cross section, temperature, and nature of material. SI unit of electric power, this is watt. Commercial unit of electric power, this is kilowatt per hour. Kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joules. How is voltmeter connected in 1 second? How is voltmeter connected in a current to measure the potential difference across the between two ends? So it is connected in parallel. In which configuration a fuse is placed in a device? It is in series. On what factors the resistivity of a conductor depends? It depends on the material and temperature. Name any two appliances which are based on application of heating effect of current. So it is electric iron, electric heater. What happens to resistance of a conductor when its area of cross section is increased? So resistance is decreased. A given length of wire is doubled on itself, and this process is repeated once again. By what factors does the resistance of the wire change? So it will get halved. No, it will get doubled. Resistance will also get doubled when the length of the conductor will be doubled. 1 second. Define the term volt. So volt क्या है? ये यूनिट ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है, राइट. एक वोल्ट किसके बराबर होता है? एक वोल्ट किसके बराबर होता है? जब एक जूल ऑफ वर्क डन की जाती है एक यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज को ब्रिंग करने में फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर. So it is the source of energy here. Burning of candle is an example of conversion of chemical energy into, so this is heat energy and light energy. Which form of energy is used by thermal power plant to convert it into electrical energy? So it is chemical energy. Which form of energy is converted by hydropower plant into electrical energy? It is kinetic energy. So define slurry, ये आपको मिल जाएगा. What percentage of methane is present in it is 50 to 75%. 50 to 70%. What should be the wind speed that is required to maintain a turbine in the windmill? So it is the 50 to 60 kilometer, 50 to 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर. व्हाट इज़ ए गुड फ्यूल? ये आपको पता है, जिसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर और कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू हाई हो. इग्निशन टेम्परेचर लो होना चाहिए. नेम द पार्ट ऑफ द बायोगैस प्लांट वेयर रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. दिस इज digester tank. Digester tank. Name any two elements that are used in fabricating solar cells. It is silver and silicon. Why a solar cooker painted black from outside? So black color जो है ये absorb करता है एनर्जी को. सो इसीलिए ब्लैक कलर को उसमें किया जाता है, मतलब उसको ब्लैक कलर किया जाता है. Here is one of the question. Name the reaction responsible for large energy production in sun. It is nuclear reaction. Yeah, nuclear fusion. I hope this is clear. List two non-conventional source of energy. Question 15. It is solar energy and wind energy. Here, solar energy and wind energy.